Reference books. In most offices, the shorthand writer will find some reference books, but he will soon discover that it is needful to have on his own bookshelf or in his desk certain books of reference for his own use. The most indispensable work is undoubtedly a good English dictionary. Pitman English and Shorthand dictionary will be found to answer the purpose. Next in importance, if his work is of a literary character, will be a guide to all proper names in biography, geography, mythology, etc.